Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add money to your PayPal account. So what you'll need to do first, simply go to paypal.com and log in into your account. Now you have two ways basically to add money into your account. You have, of course, this request option at the top right corner. You can just go and click on that and you'll be able to request money from anybody that you want. Of course, you can just go and enter their name, the username, their email, their mobile example. Let's say example, I'm just going to enter here something, or let's just, probably someone has this email. So test@gmail.com. Probably someone has it, I guess. So as you can see, you can just go and click on it and click on request from that guy. And what's this for? You can just go and enter how much you are trying to request, an example, and it is totally up to you to do so. And of course, then you can click on request payments. You can even add what is this for and stuff like that. So let's say an example, I'm requesting, I don't know, just say $400. And you can even add what is it for, or even add someone else. If you don't want that, you can go and add money just normal way by linking first of all your bank account or add any card or bank. You can go and click on that. And of course, you'll be able, depending on wherever you live, you'll find options. So you can just go and enter your card informations here. And once you enter your card information, you'll be able to start transferring money from your card to your PayPal account. So other than that, you can also just go here and click on send payments. And as you can see, as we said, depending on wherever you live, you'll find here this transfer. So this is transfer to your bank accounts from PayPal to bank account of money out. And you can find money in options, as I said, depending on wherever you live, you may find other options. So those are the options to add money to your PayPal account. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.